If you're an agency owner or an online coach or consultant with a high ticket offer, and you're struggling to have a constant inflow of leads, or maybe you're tired of spending money on advertisements, then this video is for you. If you've already got a content machine that allows you to post up to 90 videos per month, or if you've grown a community already and they're warm and ready to transact with you, then this video probably isn't for you. Go ahead and click the X and leave if you'd like. If you are staying, I'd like to say hello. My name is Cordell, the founder of Attention Works, where we build powerful brands by capturing and leveraging attention. We'll guarantee a system that will help make your brand untouchable. If we don't bring you more clients, a bigger personal brand, and more revenue, you don't pay. If you're wondering how this works, here's the 4-step framework. Step 1, we build the content machine. That includes high quality edits on both long and short videos, either 30, 60, or 90 videos uploaded for you per month on all the platforms. We can repurpose old podcasts, old client videos that you have, or we can do a one-on-one interview with you where we help you set up your camera and ask you questions in like a podcast format once or twice a week or every 2 weeks depending on your schedule. This frequency allows you to acquire more leads, more subscribers, more viewers as fast as possible. Here's an example of what we did for one of our clients. Take Beatrice. She went from getting 200 to 300 views per video and not many sales on her online interior decoration program. This is the month before we started working with her, and this is the month after. We immediately increased her views multiple fold, which allowed her to accumulate thousands of views per video, as well as 600,000 impressions. And that is free. Those aren't using paid ads. She was allowed to get her video, which was linked to her offer, in front of 600,000 different computer screens, phone screens, for free, just by posting organic content. And these are the stats of only 3 videos. With the content machine that we've built, this will allow you to release 30 to 60 to 90 videos a month, depending on what you choose. If just 1% of that 600,000 convert and they click on the offer, you can do the math. Step 2, we build you an audience and community. What you'll do is you'll offer advantages to being in the group. Your prospects will see it of value since it's a more intimate experience, almost exclusive if you will. With this community, we help you own your audience. Instead of having to find new prospects via paid ads that aren't profitable or doing outbound campaigns over and over and over and over again. You own that traffic, you own the audience. And whenever you have a new product or service to offer, you have a full, loyal audience to pitch it to instead of having to run it through a paid ad. And that audience that you're pitching it to is already warmed up because you've nurtured them, you've educated them a bit more, they're enjoying the intimate experience. So all that means is that they're ready to transact with you. On top of building you this community, we also provide you with a client success team member that has a conversation workflow to help convert the new joinees into transacting clients or the old members to repurchase. Step 3, consulting calls. These can be weekly or bi-weekly. We often pair them with the one-on-one interview if you do select that option. These sessions help hold you accountable and make it unreasonable for you not to see success within your brand and with the new influx of potential clients and leads. Within this consulting call, we give you progress reports, we give you high quality analytics with high graphic quality so that you can see the progress that we're making and so that we can double down on what's working. We also discuss content strategy, give you a plan of action for the following week, for the following week after that, for the month. Also, we check the comments to see your relationship between yourself and your viewers to see if people are asking certain questions. And lastly, step 4, growth and harmony. With the content machine up and running, allowing you to distribute high quality content every single day, all the content including call to actions to direct people to either your Facebook group or to hop on a call with you. Your community growing day by day due to the influx of followers, subscribers, viewers that you've been accumulating because of the surplus of videos, as well as your client success member talking to the new joinees and the old joinees to make sure that they're transacting with you. And lastly, the consulting calls where we go over analytics and give you content strategy. The confluence of all these things will allow you to create an untouchable brand, the go-to authority figure in your niche. And additionally, this will add up to $30,000 a month to your current revenue. Click the button down below to book a call with myself or a member of my team so that we can get you on the winning team.